So here we have the BMW 116D SE Sports hatch on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, and the cargo netting here is in order that you can keep small items from rolling all around the boot. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side we have the rev counter, and on the left hand side we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. You can see the total miles for this car, which are 20,873. You can change the information displayed directly above that by using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of fuel economy information, eventually back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got speed limiter, and on the right hand side we've got stereo controls and phone controls just here, including the voice activation for the phone. So if you hit that button and ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you've paired up your phone, and that is done on the satellite navigation screen in the center console area here. So this is BMW's business nav. One of the things obviously that the car has got is satellite navigation, which you can see just there. There's a full video on our website and our Facebook page showing exactly how the satellite navigation on this car works. In terms of all the movements that I'm making on the main screen there, it's all being done using the iDrive system, which is this dial. So you can twist this dial to go through the various options. When you see an option that you want to go into, you can push that button to do so. This also moves to the right, left, up and down as well, which all becomes useful within certain menus. And the main menu button will take you back to the beginning every time. You can also access certain menus directly from here. So back up to that screen. If you want to listen to the radio, you can do. This car has got FM, AM and DAB, as you can see. If you want to listen to your own music, got plenty of options there as well. So we have a CD player and external devices, which essentially covers USB, auxiliary and Bluetooth audio. So once you pair your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you're able to stream your music wirelessly as well. Working our way down from that, we have the CD player. We then have air conditioning. So this dial determines the direction of the air within the car. Fan speed up and down from here. This one deals with the temperature, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on. Same again to turn it back off. Below that we have a 12-volt charging socket, 6-speed manual gearbox, and to the right hand side of that we have these buttons here. Starting from the top button, that turns off the traction control in this car. You can then change the driver setup of the car, putting it in either Sport mode or Eco Pro. The standard mode for the car is Comfort. If I put it into Sport mode, it will show us up there that we've done so. We have Comfort mode and we have Eco Pro at the bottom. It does go one step further than that. We have Sport Plus available on the car, which will be the same as Sport but give you limited traction control as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.